Good morning, everyone. I apologize for the puffy, shiny face, but I just woke up. It is Sunday, no, it is Tuesday the 5th of September, and I'm going on my, oh my gosh, I need some coffee. One second. Okay. So today the show that I've been working on for the last month in rehearsals is starting its UK tour. So we are touring the show for 2 months and basically going into one-off, we're basically doing one-off nights at multiple places across England. And today we are heading to Dartington, and we are performing at Dartington Trust this Friday in their studio theater. So we're heading there today, and then we have rehearsal for a couple days, and then we go into tech on Friday, and then we perform Friday night. So it's something I'm not used to as a stage manager. I've never actually done a tour in Canada, but yeah, I've never teched a show and performed it on the same night. Is that true? Yeah, I did a Fringe show once, I think it was in 2019. So we might have teched it that day. No, we had a day before as well. So yeah, this is my first time teching a show and performing in the same evening. So that's a little bit stressful and unique, but we'll see what happens. We're doing it at multiple venues, so hopefully by the end I'll have it down pat and it won't be anxious anymore. But anyways, I thought it would be cool to take you along because I've never seen these places in England before, haven't even heard of them, to be honest. So yeah, I think it will be cool to see all of these places, even though we're only there for a short time. And I'll be in the theater most of the time, but I can at least see, the main streets and some of the restaurants. So yeah, it should be fun. But it is the morning of the tour and I have not finished packing yet. So I'm gonna have to do that today. Last minute toiletries shopping and yeah, getting my life together. So luckily we are coming back next Saturday night. So I don't need to pack for 2 months, just for this week. So yeah, the pressure's off a little bit. But anyways, I'm going to finish my coffee, have a shower, pack, and get ready for the drive to Dartington, which I know we will pass Stonehenge on the way. So yeah, I'll get to see that again, which is very cool. I don't think we're stopping in Stonehenge, but I will see it as we cruise by. And I realized as I was talking that most people don't know what teching a show means. So I will give you a brief definition, I guess. So teching a show means what we've built in the rehearsal hall, which is everything that the actor does on stage and what props they're using and a plan for what costume they're using. We move that all onto the stage and then we add lighting on top of that and sound effects, and that's when the costumes also get introduced. So in a regular tech week in a theater, it would take a couple of days. So first you would do a cue to cue and jump from every light cue in the show, and you would run it until it works, and then you would move on and do the same with sound. And then after that's been done, then you do like quick change rehearsals so that the actors know that they can change into their costume fast enough during each scene change or costume change. And then after we've added all of the elements, even the set that we don't have in rehearsal, then we do a run through of the show, and then we have our dress rehearsal, which has pretty much every element of the show. This one's a little bit different because it's not a not a big play that's staying in one place. So we've had our whole set throughout rehearsals, which is great. And we've had sound cues as well. So we're really just adding lighting to the show at each venue. And it'll be different at each venue depending on what the theater can do for us. So that'll be a challenge, and we'll see how it goes. But Dartington, I think, will be a good leeway. It'll be a good starting point because we're in Dartington for the week rehearsing. So yeah, it'll be nice to be in one place for a couple of days rather than just the night, because it looks like a very cute place. Anyways, I'm going to finish my coffee, do a meditation, get a shower, and finish packing. So I will see you probably after I shower. Okay, it's a few hours later and my suitcase is packed. So I just have a jacket in here, my toiletries bag, straightener, my hair dryers underneath, brushes, medication. I put it all in one container, lint roller, electronics and cords, so like my headphones, phone charger, laptop charger, slippers in here, my laundry bag that's empty right now, pajamas, leggings, and all my tops are under there, and socks and underwear in there, and my brush is in there somewhere. Yeah, there it is. And then I have another bag, which is my backpack, and then I'll pack some food and we're good to go. Okay, so for food, I am getting paid a per diem, so I'll be eating out a lot of the time. I'll be eating in restaurants a lot of the time, but I am bringing some things just in case, and just so I know I have something semi-healthy. So I have some tuna here, some rice, these little snack bars. I'm bringing these coffee bags, which you really only need a kettle for. It's kind of like a tea bag, but with coffee. So I think this is such a genius idea, and I actually tried it out and it tastes pretty good. And then I'm bringing a leftover avocado that I forgot to eat, 2 pears from our trees outside, and some granola that I decanted, bringing some balsamic for salads, and some pistachios. And then I'm also gonna bring my leftover vegetables as well. I really hope there's a fridge, but I'm told there is. So I'll bring the cucumber. I bought this lettuce yesterday to bring with me, so I know I have some greens and some grapes as well. And if I can fit them, I'm gonna bring these carrots. I did not mean to order a whole bag of full carrots. I ordered a baby carrots bag online, and that's what they gave me. So all good. We'll see if we can fit everything in here. Oh, and I'm also bringing my yogurt as well to go with my granola. And that should be everything. So everything fit into the bag, which is great. So I have my, let me just turn you around. I have my Waitrose bag, and then my backpack, which has my laptop and my script and everything. Then I have my suitcase, and I'm gonna bring my rain jacket because we're in England and it's bound to rain. Then I have my water bottle, and I'm bringing my belt bag, which just has my wallet, my headphones, my lip balm, my powdered sunscreen, some tissues, mints, and some sanitizer wipes. Yeah, so like I said, in here I have my script. I decanted some grapes for the ride, a journal for the morning, what else? Lots of stuff, mostly work stuff and some snacks. Yeah, and I'm ready to go. Also, before I leave, I have to take the green bin into the back, into the compost, and water the plants, which I should have done earlier when it's not so sunny, but there we go.